Welcome to my channel, guys. My name is Efia. I'm basically a travel vlogger. Currently I'm in Ghana actually, so my Ghana vlog will be upcoming. Feel free to subscribe, like, share, comment and all the sorts. But yeah, like I hope to take you guys to different journeys across the world. So I'm excited. I feel like now that COVID is kind of going away, COVID conditions are going away, I get to travel more and I get to take you guys along so you guys can see like what I get up to and like how to book good travel deals, how to like be comfortable solo traveling and all the sorts. And I'm a massive foodie, so you're gonna see a lot of food on my channel. But yeah, I'm excited to take you guys along. So here's like a quick get to know me. You guys asked me some questions on Instagram. I'll tag my socials below. I'm excited to finally jump on YouTube properly. I've got some questions that you guys asked me. So one person said, what do you do? So currently I'm a data analyst for an energy company. So yeah, pretty standard boring stuff. Where do I see myself in 5 years? In 5 years, I see myself traveling a lot, having a couple of businesses, possibly married with kids, but I definitely like having a couple of homes, cars, all the sorts. Basically in 5 years time, I feel like by then my life should completely upgrade. Should be upgraded every single year. But yeah, in 5 years time I hope to be extremely stable, happy, blessed and just fortunate and alive. Let me just add that there. Where are my tattoos? So I've got one tattoo on my arm, which I'll show you guys. I've got one on my thigh and I've got one on my rib. What's one beauty product I can't live without? I can't live without the Fenty Beauty Mocha Bronzer. Like I feel like it just takes your makeup from a solid 5 to a 10. Like when you slap on that, trust me, like I don't know what it does, yeah, but the way it just sculpts your face, it's just beautiful. Like if you're dark skin, go get that. Like it would change your makeup game, trust me. But there's one other product I'm trying out right now. It's the Kryolan Fix Spray, and so far it's amazing. Like I'm in Ghana right now and it's hot, it's sweaty. So if that spray could keep my makeup on all day, I recommend it so much. Fun fact about myself, I love anime. Like I proper love anime. Been watching it since I was a kid, so yeah. You guys will probably ask me about my top 5 anime. I'll do my top 3. So number 1 is Soul Eater. Oh sorry, no, scratch that. Number 1 is The Grey Man. Number 2 is Katekyo Hitman Reborn. And number 3 is Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood. So those are my top 3 anime shows. What's my favourite holiday destination? So you guys know how in love I am with Ghana. But second to Ghana, I think I had the most fun in Portugal was good, Afro Nation was good, but just in terms of destination, I would say Budapest was amazing. Like the food, the people were so friendly. I met a lovely girl. Like I solo traveled to Budapest and I met the loveliest Brazilian girl ever. Like literally, and we had so much fun together. So yeah, I feel like forget Paris, go to Budapest. Like it's literally such a romantic destination. It's beautiful. If I was a fruit, what would I be? Probably an apple, because I'm just stubborn, just hard all around. I'm just proper stubborn. What made me start YouTube? I've been wanting to do YouTube for years, like literally since I was a teenager, since I was like 12, 13. Yes, but it's just the fact that I just didn't want to put my face out there, because I feel like back in the day, like especially when it came to like dark skin YouTubers, they got bashed a lot with the way they look, so I just didn't want to put my face out there and stuff like that. So I feel like that kind of stopped me, like people's perception stopped me from doing what I wanted to do. But I feel like now that I'm older, I don't give a heck. I might as well take each off my list. But yeah, where am I from? So ethnicity wise, I am 3/4 Ghanaian, 1/4 Mali. I was born in Holland, but I live in England. Which country would I love to travel to? So right now, Jamaica. I need my trip to Jamaica. Just like a nice girls trip to Jamaica would do me nicely. Like literally. But yeah, this is just a quick introduction to my channel. So you'll see like a lot of travel, you'll see a lot of food, you'll see beauty, you'll see like anything that you guys want to recommend to. Like I hope you like it, and I hope you subscribe, and hopefully you get to see my upcoming Ghana vlogs. They're gonna be amazing. So hope to see you guys soon. We'll definitely do like another get to know me as my channel progresses, and then like you guys can ask me like questions again. Later.